Just a reminder, I am recording to upload it to Google Classroom for those kids that may miss later on in my hours this afternoon, okay? Because everybody in this class is here. So the directions, even though it says, again, the opener says 823, we're actually completing it today on 824. It says find the value for each blank that makes the equation true. Now, equation true, what is an equation? It's basically like sorry, I didn't see your hand up until I started talking. It's basically like a sentence when you're reading, except for it deals with math. So you're going to have your numbers and your operation sign, your equal sign and the answer. That's going to be equation. That's kind of the whole sentence. So we have to think, what times 7 will equal 9? Or excuse me, what plus 7 will equal 9? 2. So if I plug in that 2 for that box, if I take 2 plus 7, it does in fact equal 9. So this equation is true. If you couldn't think in your head 2 plus 7 equals 9, what's another way that you could have figured it out? Kelly? Not divide, but would you? Not divide, but subtract. So if you couldn't think like, oh, 2 plus 7 equals 9, you could have just simply taken 9 minus 7, and that would have got you 2. So that's another way of doing it. You don't have to write that extra work, though, you guys. Just the answer is what I'm looking for. Number 2 is a little bit trickier. What minus 7 is going to get you to negative 4? What minus 7 is going to get you to negative 4? Jalen? Say again? 3, yeah. So 3 minus 7 will get you to negative 4. All right, number 3 here. 4 times what equals 24? Danielle? 6. All right, raise your hand if you think you have this last one. Does anybody think they have this last one? What divided by 3 will equal 6? AJ? Say it again? 18. How many of you guys really wanted to put that 6, 2, or 3 on there? Yeah. So if you didn't know this, 18 divided by 3 equals 6. What's another way I could have found what that missing number was? What could I have done with this 6 and 3 to get this missing number here? Multiplied them together. Yeah. That's all we're going to do for your opener, so make sure your name's on them. Make sure you have the correct answers and pass those up.